Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Draftsight tutorial how to change line weight. So as example, I will create rectangle, then I will create line. Now if you want to change line weight, you can select the object and then go to properties tab. In here, you can see the line weight will be set into by block and I will change into 1,4. The next you can type line weight, press enter, and then you can active the line weight in display. You can check in it, click apply, and then you can click OK. So it will be changed the line weight. You can select again, like I will select this line object. I will set for line weight by block into 1, and that's it for a basic Draftsight tutorial how to change line weight. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.